Hello, 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 ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. We started part C of our Pascal paper last time with question 21. Now we're on to question number 22. Each of the integers 1 to 7 is to be written, 1 in each circle of the diagram. The sum of the three integers in any straight line is to be the same. In how many different ways can the center circle be filled? What values can I have here? Is basically what they're asking. Okay. So, we could try and guess and check our way to this, but we want to be smart. So one thing we could do is we could just say, all right, can 1 fit in here? Can I find a way to, fill in all the other numbers over here to make it so that 1 can work? And then we get the same number added up everywhere. And if I can't find a way, okay, let's try 2, let's try 3. Now, that can work, but it's going to waste our time because we have to do a lot of guess and check. So is there a smarter way to try and do this? Well, unfortunately, without knowing the middle number, it's very hard to figure out what the other numbers might be or what this common sum is. But we do know we've got this common sum. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go over here and I'm going to label these circles with letters. Okay? So maybe A, B, C, D is in the middle, E, F, G. Now I know that if I were to add up A, D, and G, I would get some value K, this sum that we're looking for, and I'll get the same numbers if I do, or the same K if I do A, D, B, D, and F. And that's this line and this line. And same if I do C, D, and E. I should get this K value. Okay? Those are the only three equations we can really work with. Now notice we've got a lot of D's over here. We got 3 D's. We also have 3 K's. Okay? And then I have one of each of the other numbers. So I'll get A plus B plus C, 3 D's. All I'm doing is I'm adding up these equations. E, F, G, and that should be 3K. All right, now how does this help me? What can I do here? Well, the only thing I'm really seeing are these 3's here. And I have no idea what numbers are supposed to go where. I don't know what A, B, C exactly are, but I do know the numbers from 1 to 7 do have to go into these positions, right? So I do know that A, B, C, D, E, F, and G in some order are the numbers 1, 2, 3. Now, might not be A is 1, B is 2, but they are in some order 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 7, and I can add these up. This is a sum of 21. So what we've really got is 21 plus 2D. I had to borrow one of the D's to add up with these numbers, and I left 2 over. And that needs to be equal to 3K. Now, D is supposed to be the value in the center, and that's what we're asked about. So 2D needs to be 3K minus 21. Well, what have we got there? 2D, 3K minus 21. Is there anything that we could maybe get a hint at here? Well, we could take out a factor of 3. Right? We could absolutely do that. Actually, hold on. Did I add these up right? No, 21 is the sum of the first 6. That's my mistake. 28. Thought that number felt a little too small. That's okay. 28. So we can bring this 28 over here. Now, unfortunately, I can't factor out 3, so that sort of ruins my plan. Let me think about this for a moment. Well, I definitely could still, I guess, pull out a 9 here. So I'll rewrite this as 3K minus 27 minus 1. And say something like 2D plus 1 has to be a multiple of 3. That seems to need to be true. Okay. So what possible values for D could we have? Well, D could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as far as I know. But now I'm not just guessing. I'm not just putting things in the middle and checking. What we're going to do is we're going to work out 2D, and then we're going to work out 2D plus 1, and then I'm going to ask, is it a multiple of 3? Now, that alone will not guarantee that I can do it, but we should be able to find solutions from there. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Add 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. So yes, no, no, yes, no, no, yes. So if I had to guess, I would say the answer is 3, but let's make sure. Let's put 0 in the center and see what I can do. Now, I should be able to now work out what k minus 9 is, and so then work out what k is. So k minus 9 should be, we'll divide it by 3, so k minus 9 should be 1, or 3, or 5, and that would make k, the sum of the 3 numbers in a row, should be 10, or 12, or 14. And this gives me a little bit of help. So for example, let's try and put 1 in the middle and make sure that you actually can put all the numbers in exactly the way they want. And we know it should only be 1, 4, and 7, but can we actually do them? Okay, can we actually do that? So with 1 in the middle, everything needs to add up to 10. So for example, I could try 3, no, not 3 and 7, 2 and 7, because they make 9. So the other numbers need to be paired off to make 9. We could get 3 and 6, that makes 9, and 4 and 5, that makes 9 as well. Looks good. Looks very good. All right, so I can put 1 in the middle. And we put 4 in the middle. So what do the numbers need to add up to now? And it should be 12. So we need to make 8 with the other numbers. So we'll have 1 and 7 makes an 8. 2 and 6 makes an 8. And then 3 and 5 makes an 8. So that one also works. And the last one, just double checking. Just making sure. We would hate to find out that for some reason the numbers don't work out with 7, and then we've counted wrong. So with 7 in here, the numbers have to add up to 14. So we need to take pairs of numbers and make them add up to 7. So we'll try 1 and 6. 2 and 5, that adds up to 7, so the whole thing adds up to 14. And 3 and 4, so that also works. So there are 3 possible values for the middle number. And that's going to be C. There we go. Our answer to question number 22 is C. All right, up next, question number 23, sort of the midway point through part C of the contest. I hope to see you there.